LucentAds.com, we are proud to introduce another world's first in Segway aftermarket advertising products, our Segway Advertising Billboard Trailer. The units are designed and manufactured of the highest quality materials and workmanship in our facilities in Southern California. The entire unit is designed to collapse for easy storage and transportation and can be set up in just a matter of minutes. Also being self-contained with built-in lighting systems to illuminate the media during night operations, and it includes a rechargeable battery that will provide up to 12 hours of operating time. Combined with our world-renowned Segway advertising chariot shields, it ensures to leave a long-lasting impression on your target audience while being the most unique and green outdoor mobile media available today. We are currently offering exclusive distributorship opportunities worldwide. Please contact us for details at info@lucentads.com or visit our website at lucentads.com or contact us by calling 877-LUCENT-0.